Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now by assembling the essentials so you don't interrupt care later. Rinse to dislodge big particles, then thread floss or use a floss threader between teeth once to free debris. Next, place a soft bristle brush at a 45-degree angle and brush for 2 minutes, focusing on the top and bottom of each bracket. Once done, use an interdental brush to sweep under wires. This prevents buildup that causes decay and discomfort if left unattended. You now tackle the harder middle steps that protect teeth between appointments. Work an interdental brush under each wire and between brackets, using gentle back and forth motions to remove trapped particles. Replace when the bristles splay. Make sure to check gum lines and massage gently with the brush to reduce inflammation, because healthy gums support tooth movement. Also, modify your diet. Avoid sticky and hard foods, and cut raw fruits and vegetables into bite-sized. You finish by rinsing with a fluoride mouthwash to strengthen enamel, and then inspect your braces in a mirror for missed food or sore spots. If a wire pokes or a bracket feels loose, place a small piece of orthodontic wax to cover the irritation and call your orthodontist if the bracket is truly loose. Make sure to carry a compact emergency kit so you can handle minor issues quickly. If pain or severe damage occurs, seek professional care without delay.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.